Good morning, everyone. This is in response to the news items about university being closed for health and fitness purposes. People are drinking water in the campuses, using it as a picnic spot. These are some things which are making rounds in almost all the popular newspapers. One thing I want to tell the Chief Minister and the Education Minister of this state, Telangana, is university is a public place. University is being funded and subscribed by the people's taxes. And I only see this government who wants to discourage healthy people. They discourage healthy activities. Why should they stop people from having a free walk in the university under the trees? On the contrary, I am requesting that the state government should open up all the parks for the walkers in the morning and the evening free of cost. And the government should invest in healthy equipment or social gyms at every place, at every government office and government schools. These are all public properties. I see it quite foolish of the Vice Chancellor and his subordinates discouraging people to have walk in the universities, to enjoy the greenery and take free oxygen. Whose birthright is that you want to stop? Vice Chancellor's salary, the lecturer's salary are being funded by the public taxes. The students' money is not enough to sustain the university's growth and prospects. Please do not stop anybody from walking in the parks, in the universities and the public places. Please take it as a first warning from the public. If this goes, if they want to continue by hook or crook, you will find a great resistance from the public. Please encourage everybody to come in, do their exercises, and on the contrary, you should offer them free stops. Like if you walk for 4 kilometers, we'll give you a drink free. If you are regular for 18 days in a month or 24 days in a month or 30 days in a month, we'll give you such a gift. I find it strange and discouraging that our people and the public have a very narrow-minded of limiting these public places. Gentlemen, please try to reach this video out to everybody and come and assemble at the Osmania University campus and protest that we will not allow them to collect any money for the healthy people. Sunday morning, we'll all assemble at the gate at 7 o'clock. 7 a.m. Sunday morning, we will all assemble there. Thank you very much.